it. It's a clear slime. Here, reverse glue. And I put some graphic glitter in it. It's so good. I'm gonna try to make it like I'm gonna try to make it tiny, but just Roger, what you doing? Oh, what? Alright. Show you this slime. Oh, you're about to fall on my hand. You probably can't see it. There we go. I want to put something right here so y'all can actually see it. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, can you see the slime? Y'all can see it pretty good. I'm gonna put it there so I can like there we go. So here's the slime. So we are doing a giveaway. And I'm giving away the squishy fries. Right now my comments are disabled, so but I'm gonna try to see if my subscribers are. Oh, guys, it fell like no joke. I'm gonna hold it like hey, Pin. Basically, yeah, so basically that's the end of the video. You really can't see any color difference because it's clear. There's a lot of these. Oh my gosh, guys. But again, so anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm on the giveaways over. Nobody could have won it, but I'll also do it on the next giveaway. I mean the next giveaway. So this giveaway is my new slime. Like this slime, it's getting bad, but it's gonna be good. So this one's gonna be a giveaway. Okay. That one's gonna be a giveaway. This one, I made it for that slime. It's gonna be a giveaway. It's pretty good. And this whole it says slime shop, slime only, but we didn't have any, so we're gonna be giving away both of these for one prize. Both of these for one prize. Probably not this one. This one's really good. Maybe I'll give you a little bit of it, but and this one probably. This one and this one. This one and this one. And then these three. This one, and this one. So next we're gonna be doing like a Twitchy and Slimes camera thing. So I haven't been requesting it, but yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye.